This is a tripod I made out of a single 2x4. You could use this for a bird feeder, a camera, or put a target on for target practice. How to make this is you will make 3 marks at 16 inches. Then you'll go ahead and cut that wood so you'll have 3 pieces that are 16 inches long, then a single piece that is 4 feet long. And really the length doesn't matter, you can make it longer than that, you could use multiple 2x4s. What does matter, however, is that you cut each piece at the end at a 30-degree angle. Once you have your 3 legs cut, then you can put it together kind of however you want. You can kind of put it tight or you can put it larger, kind of a personal preference. I like to do it at about 6 inches apart. Go ahead and drill your pilot holes and then put the screws in. Once you have the 3 feet screwed together, then go ahead and put the longer 2x4 down so it is standing straight up and put some screws in that. And there you have it. It's a really simple tripod to make. Again, you could do this with a single 2x4. Now the feet aren't super long, so it's not going to be the most sturdy tripod of all time, but if all you have is a single 2x4, there's probably no better way to do it than this.